Hey, how are you? So, I just wanted to post this quick update of the whimsical butterfly drawing and painting. On the last update, I worked on the flowers and I started to lay in the bushes. Now, in this update, I'm coming back in with a new layer of paint. I let that initial layer of green bushes dry. Now I'm coming in with some different shades of green, some more bluish greens, some are more yellow, some are darker. I'm really trying to build up this layer of green bushes to make it look dense and thick and really like it's really has a lot of leaves, a lot of different shades. And right now where I live it's fall, so it's less humid and the air is a bit drier. So that's one good thing with these paints. With acrylic is that they will dry faster in the wintertime than in a humid environment or in the summertime. But that's what I found. The point is that this allows the paint to dry, and so I can come back and add layer after layer relatively quickly, maybe giving one layer of paint about maybe 2 or 3 minutes to dry, and then coming in with a new layer. And at that point, the previous layer of paint is a bit dry, somewhat tacky. So that's one thing I found. And you notice I'm adding these leaves up above, almost hovering in the black, and that's just to give a bit of an impressionistic look. You don't really see the connection or the branches, but I didn't want to do that or add that detail. Once this is all thoroughly dry, I'll probably leave it overnight. I'll come back the next day and start adding in some shadows using some blues and maybe a little bit of raw umber, maybe some black, and tone the bushes down because I want the focus of this painting to be on the center flower and butterfly, and you'll see that develop in the next update, which will also be the final installation of this whimsical butterfly series. So I'll see you then. Take care.